as far as I can see, you were always meant to be my destiny. Maybe all we need is just a little friend. You say it's over, I say we've just begun. 'Cause it ain't forever until our lives are done. I know I did some things that I never should. I'd undo them if I could. I turned my life around for you. Anything you'd ask me to, just tell me. What must I do to make you wanna stay and take the hurt away? Adik sa'yo, awit sa akin, bilang sawa na sa akin, mga kwentong marating tungkol sa'yo at sa ligayang iyong hatid sa aking buhay. Tuluyang bida sa isipan ko ikaw, sa umaga't sa gabi, sa bawat minutong lumilipas.